Welcome to the B.E.G exhibition stand. I'm standing in our industry section and next to our large industrial clock. With the help of this clock, we can show how our Generation 7 detector simulates the HCl curve over the course of the day. We have three curves stored: office, school and industry. And especially for this case here, we have created a fair curve. You can see that the white tone becomes more bluish in the course of the day, towards midday. And that the light becomes more yellow again in the afternoon and evening. With the help of the DALI-Carnix gateway, the colors are passed onto the luminaires according to the detector specifications.